We're heading down 81. First time ever going to Cedar Springs. Gonna go to Whitfield and stay tonight and hit the creek in the morning. See y'all there. We woke up at 6 o'clock at the sleep in here in Whitfield. By the way, it's a great place to stay. I would highly recommend it for anyone visiting Cedar Springs. Woke up to this with a two-wheel drive vehicle. So today is in one way starting amazingly well. It's going to be beautiful, but I kind of have a feeling this is going to put lockjaw on those trout. Wish us luck, y'all.
Morning.
Morning, buddy. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Going good.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir, buddy. You have a good day.
You too. Are you serious? The method? Yeah. That's crazy.
Oh my God. Oh my.
Y'all dad's hooked up on the first one of the morning.
Oh. Okay, can you get out there?
No. Man, that's a nice fish. Nice. There we go.
Good job, buddy.
Number one of the morning.
Good job. Hey, PB, baby.
Yeah, that's true. That's pretty awesome.
Dude, oh my God. That looks like a salmon.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. You want me to take a picture?
Yeah. All right, I think I'm recording, y'all. I saw this on YouTube. I just caught a big fish doing it. It's a cast and retrieve power bait, all right? I've never done it before, but you put your power bait on there with a hook, with a weight, and you put your power bait, you see that little tail I made on it? That's gonna make it move a little bit. Now, I'd like it if it spins. Now, the other thing you gotta have a barrel swivel. I don't know if you can see that. I got a barrel swivel on the line right there, all right? Because if you don't do that, of course, it's gonna twist your line all up, all right? Now, I caught one. That's the first one I ever caught this way, and it is my PB trout. So we're gonna see what happens here, and we don't know whether that one was just a fluke, or maybe there's something to this stuff. I got it doing exactly what I wanted.
Tell you what, my hands are not very insulated.
I might have to switch to a different method.
There you go. Oh my God.
Can you get the net, Kay? Kay, can you get the net?
Oh God.
You believe this crap?
That's awesome.
Okay, I got it.
Fourth hit.
You can have to help me with my limit.
Oh my gosh. This might be a new PB. Just stay right there. Get ready. Get ready. He's coming to you. He's coming to you. He's coming to you. Get the net in the water. Go. Kay, don't do that. Get it under him. Good job. Good job. Good job, buddy. High five. High five. High five. Yeah, buddy. Yes. That might be my... Do you think that's my new PB, Carter? Yes. This is amazing, dude. This is like salmon fishing. Only they're biting. Oh my gosh. This is amazing.
Oh yeah, there you go. There you go.
Net cage, net cage.
I got him.
Do you see that on the first cast, Carter?
You gonna get it, Carter?
Okay, lower your net. Okay, get that net to Carter. Okay, take that net to Carter. Carter, take the big net.
There you go. Don't smack me with it. Dang, man. Cade.
Whoa, easy.
Oh.
There you go.
Nice. Number 3.
Yeah, nice. Number 3 for him, number 0 for me.
Did you see how he hit that thing, dude?
Yeah, he nailed it.
I guess I'm gonna have to give a little tutorial, huh? All right, y'all, that's the third. We're in business.
Got one. He's not very big. He's not very big, Dad. Do you want me to keep him? Okay, can you hand me the net?
Dad, there's not enough room here. He's high. He's high up.
There we go.
That's so pretty.
That'll do, pig. That will do for my first one.
I'm saying nuts.
That's a little bit nicer than I thought. Y'all, there's my first one of the day. A little 1.5 pounds probably. On a green mini minnow with that pink head. Y'all, he couldn't resist it. Been a tough day, tough day. Been fishing for 2 hours. That's the first one that I've landed. So we're gonna put him with the other ones. Dad's got 3, I've got 1. We'll get us back in that hole that I was just in. See if we can find any more. Got one. Net would be helpful.
Is it a big one?
It's an alright one.
Oh, there's pretty foot.
Ready?
Yep.
Get him, Kate. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, son. Give me a high five on that.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, y'all. Another beautiful rainbow on that green mini minnow, that pink head. Booyah, baby. Number 2. Just jigging it down. Felt tension. Pulled up. Big old fish on. That's a third of my limit right there. Gonna get him on a stringer with his buddy. Let's see if we can catch any more. Alright, up here at this infamous bridge location, I'm praying that there's some fish in here willing to eat. Got one. Oh! Dang it, dang it, dang it.
Would that have been your third?
Yep, right here where I thought it was gonna be. Y'all, the way this hole works is up there where Dad's at. The creek comes down and it's real rapid, real fast water on the other side. And it goes down and it circles back around right here and goes up underneath the bridge. These fish are holding up underneath, or they're not in the fast water over there. They're actually holding up underneath the bridge and right here in front of me. And so what I'm trying to do is trying to cast up there, bounce it back, bounce it back, bounce it back, and let it kind of work its way around. That seems to be what's getting the fish. Maybe. Walmart. Dang it. Oh my gosh, I have a fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I have a fish. Dude, this has got to be a nice one. Come down beside me. I literally thought I was hung.
This looks like you're hung. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Got another one. Got another one.
Is it a fighter?
Yeah.
Baby?
Please stay hooked.
You're not gonna pay. Huh? Go to the left. Go down on those rocks. Get down on those rocks in the water.
That way.
Down on the rocks in the water. There. Yeah. I'm ready for one.
I don't know how well I have them hooked. Please get them when you can.
Yeah.
Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Give me a high five, kid.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. I'll take the net.
Go.
Wow.
See a big one?
That's a really nice one.
He's a pretty one.
He's going on a stringer. 3 fish out of this hole. Oh, and my lure's already popped out, y'all. Wow, what a fish. Looky there. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous rainbow trout. Got him. What the heck is that? Dude, it's a wild rainbow.
The other guy caught one of those.
Did he really?
You on video?
Yeah.
You got really excited.
Yeah, I'm aware. Hopefully it doesn't kill him.
What happened? You break him?
Nope. Didn't know I had him.
Huh?
Didn't know I had him.
Oh, did you see him?
Oh, we got him. Yeah, okay, get the net, get the net, get the net. Get the net. Well, y'all, unfortunately, we started having some camera difficulties. My GoPro stopped working on me, but right here behind us, I found 2 fish in a rocky outcropping that were showing signs of interest. And I continued seeing them. I was throwing soft plastics. I continued seeing them rise up to the top and eat like bugs and stuff. So what I did was I got janky with it and pulled out that little joker out of my pocket. It's only about, I don't know, a 1/2 inch long. It's a bead-headed nymph, and I floated it down to the first one, and I got the first one to hit, and I missed him, unfortunately. And then I saw this one over there with him, tossed it up way in the front of the current, and let it just float down right into his face, and he smoked it. Fight was on that tiny little jig. I didn't want to horse him. We finally got him netted, but y'all, what an incredible day at Cedar Springs. Couldn't have asked for a prettier day. Could have asked for better fishing. The pretty kind of messed up the fishing. But just an unbelievable day out here with family, with my dad and my youngest brother, Cade. We had a blast. Not exactly the content that I wanted to bring to y'all, but a lot of nice fish caught, and we'll definitely be back here in the future. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one.
And by the way, he's not telling you this, but he cast 1,000,000 times with that little nymph to catch that one fish, and we want to go.
Yeah.
If we don't make it home and y'all never see this video, it's because of that one fish.
It is now 7 o'clock, headed home from Cedar Springs. We've been on the road for about an hour and 45 minutes, going in between 35 and 50 miles an hour and trying to stay behind tractor trailers the entire time. The roads are pretty sketchy. There's a pretty decent wreck right there, but there's snow on.
Look at the back end.
Yep. I'm glad that's not us. There's snow on either side of the interstate right here. Not good situation, but low and slow is how it works. 2-wheel drive, you hug the back of tractor trailers and pray for the best. We got 3 more miles until we're off of 81. But this is not fun, y'all. This is not fun. It got a lot worse. It got a lot worse. The snow's not coming down quite as hard. I mean, it's still coming down. It's still coming down, but yeah. 20 miles an hour. Well, we're doing 30 right now, but we're going uphill. 20 miles an hour, 20 to 30 miles an hour, and all
Praying.
praying as hard as we can. All 4 lanes of travel just Solid snap.